Good morning, everyone. It's Bobby. I wanted to show you a project that I recently completed for my granddaughter. This is a project that I did with Tammy over at Country Craft Creations. She does a Friday night video on her Facebook page, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. And last Friday we finished the album, or the inserts, the Friday before we made the box. And this is a really sturdy box. It's constructed of chipboard. It's lined all the way around on the inside. I'll show you that in just a second. I used a digital pattern that I had, or digital paper I had, to cover the box. On the lid I put a measuring chart telling you how many teaspoons and tablespoons equaled and cups equaled tablespoons and that sort of thing. Measurement conversion chart. And then I have just some graphics. It's from the Knitwood collection called, I think it's called Granny's Pantry or Grandma's Pantry, something like that. It's really pretty and it's really muted country colors. On the front, we took this off of her old book. We had made a cookie book for her because we've been making cookies since she was about 3, and she'll soon be 20. So we were able to get this off of the front. We got the gingerbread, the recipe, and the word cookie. Everything else fell apart. But she had brought me her album we made many years ago. It was coming apart because I had used a tape runner. The brand was called AdTech, and it just came apart. This is the outside of her old album. And we took everything off the outside. It's just a chipboard album. But you can see on the inside it was a pocket album. Everything's just falling apart, coming out. And she wanted to save all her recipes that we had made. You see where they're all coming out? And I wasn't sure, exactly what I wanted to do with it, or how I wanted to remake it, but I knew I wasn't going to do this again for sure. So, she wanted to save the front of it, so I used a digital paper for the background. She said it reminds her of a picnic blanket, so that worked out perfect. And then we were able to save the word cookie, this little recipe banner, and she had cut this gingerbread out when she was really, really little, so I just put it on some dark brown cardstock to make it stand out. Then on this side we have the little container of utensils and a bowl of eggs. On the opposite side we have flour, sugar, and cinnamon. And on the back we have this little pantry. Isn't that the cutest thing? I just love it. I hope you can see this. Let me check. Yeah, you should be able to see that good. Okay. Then on the inside, I've just covered the inside of the lid, and there are file folders in each pocket. There's supposed to be 7, but I ended up with 1 extra, so I have 8. This one just says family recipes, a spoonful of love added to every recipe. And then on the inside, we're just going to put her index cards in here with the recipes. Number 2 is in blues, blues and reds. Number 3 also in blues and reds, just reversed. But these, I just made a collage of the digital images on that Knitwood collection. It's so pretty. This one is in greens and yellows with a little red added. I didn't put a lot of embellishments on them because I want it to stay fairly flat so we'll have room for plenty of recipe cards in each folder. This one says our secret ingredient is always love. Isn't that pretty? I just love these colors. She said this is so much better than the first album. She can't believe it.
Cute.
Here is this one. That's number 6. Number 7. And I left each one of the tabs blank at the top so we can put a label on them if we want to label them. Maybe we will, maybe we won't, I don't know. But anyway, this one is the utensils again with some flowers and a little border strip. It was so fun to make. and she's absolutely in love with it, and it is a lot nicer than what she had in the first place. So that's our album, and I'll include a link in the description box below so that you can follow Tammy's tutorial if you care to make a box for yourself. She called hers the Wilbur Photo Box. She was making an album of photos of her dog Wilbur, and I thought this was the perfect idea to save Libby's recipe cards or her cookie cards. So that's my project. I thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.